Almost 3 million civilians work for the federal government. If you want to join them, you'll need a great cover letter. But how can you impress the hiring manager in just 3 to 4 short paragraphs? I can help you get there. I'm Anna, a professional career writer here at Resume.io, and in this video, I'll walk you through the 3 key elements of a successful federal cover letter. First, let's take a few seconds to look at your visual presentation. Government work is orderly and precise, and your cover letter should be too. Choose a simple, clean header with easy-to-read fonts. To leave a lasting impression, choose a cover letter template that matches that of your resume. The cover letter builder in the link below makes it really easy to find matching styles. Now we're ready to get into my top 3 tips to help you get through the vetting process for that federal job. Number 1, name the position. Within your federal cover letter, you need to tell the hiring manager exactly what position you are applying for. Also include the position reference number. The hiring process is regimented, and your application will not be considered for other roles, so make sure you're clear from the start. And number 2, address the job requirements. Be specific in discussing your experience and how this has prepared you for this new challenge. Use data-driven examples to back up your claims. Concrete information is more likely to be remembered. And number 3, keep your language formal. The federal job application process is a serious one. Avoid slang expressions or abbreviations. Finally, spell check your cover letter carefully. You can do this inside the cover letter builder in the link below. Spell checking should be the last step you complete before you download your document. You're ready to write a great cover letter and become a federal civilian employee. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss another video on making your application the best it can be. Now it's time to go out there and get that federal job.